rain would not damper the spirit of the Seawolves as they returned to form with a dominant run game Saturday night against a familiar foe from their Division II days, the American International Yellow Jackets. Let's go to the highlights, brought to you by Simplex Grinnell. We pick up action midway through the second quarter after a back-and-forth defensive battle of 3 and outs. Stony Brook ball on the Seawolves' own 28-yard line when sophomore Stacy Bedell welcomes the Yellow Jackets to Long Island with the Seawolves' first big run of 2014, a 72-yard jaunt. Seawolves start the scoring 7-0. Things continued to trend downhill for the Yellow Jackets on their 5th possession. A penalty negated a 19-yard completion from quarterback Sean Brathwaite to Evan Graham, and some hard-hitting defense puts AIC at a long 3rd and 21. Brathwaite will want to call a mulligan as his pass flies wide of the target and into the open arms of Naeem Cheeseborough, giving Stony Brook back the ball. The Seawolves would take over in opposing territory, starting off with a nifty 9-yard pickup from senior Marcus Coker, followed by a 15-yard pickup on the John Kinder-Will tie connection, placing Stony Brook inside the red zone. 6 plays later, a pass interference call on the Yellow Jackets in the end zone would put Stony Brook on the 2-yard line, where Stacy Bedell would reintroduce himself, giving Stony Brook a 14-0 lead with 2 minutes to go before the half. Halftime would give the Yellow Jackets some time to recoup, and on the first possession of the third, the offense woke up as Brathwaite finds Stephen Davis, forcing Stony Brook to the shadow of their own goalpost. This strong defense was ready for the task, giving no ground to the AIC offense and forcing them to settle for the field goal. That would be it for the Yellow Jackets on the night, as the Stony Brook offense would revitalize the ground game to a tune of 300 rushing yards, 134 Bedell, 41 yards for Coker, and 102 yards on 10 carries for senior James Kenner, including this 30-yard carry to set himself up. 7 plays later, Kenner finds pay dirt, Stony Brook's 3rd rushing touchdown of the night. The defense was stiff once again, allowing AIC to compile only 175 yards of total offense. Christian Ricard led the defense with 9 tackles, including 3 for loss. Raheem Castle totaled 2 sacks on the night, a big part of the 5 total sacks for the Seawolves defense. Turnovers were also present on the night, helping the Seawolves. In addition to Cheeseborough's interception, Julian Quinton forced a Brathwaite fumble, which was recovered by Jaheen Woods. Because of constant rain, there was not much production from the quarterback position. However, the backfield happily carried the load. Stacy Bedell and James Kenner, putting on a fantastic ground game performance to balance the offense, helped Stony Brook into the win column. The Seawolves hit the road next week to face non-conference opponent North Dakota Saturday, September 20th at 7 p.m. Eastern.